So here's the app called Levels Social Fitness Network. Um, so just a quick overview, quick tutorial of this app. As you can see, it just keeps growing in the top charts. So you can just open it up, and then you have this app. It has like two interesting concepts. First, it's like a social network, so you can just add your friends, and then you can follow activities from your friends, like similar as on Instagram, but here you're just following, which workouts your friend had and how many kilograms they lifted and all of that. And also this app has some kind of gamification element where you can just add your streaks, log in every day, complete your planned workout or rest day to lengthen your streak. And then you also have trophies which you can show off if you complete workouts and complete some challenges. You can just add those here and just show off. And then here you have friends. Just go and search for friends, uh, like that. And then also you have you can add your workout, obviously. So just go and add a workout. I already added a workout today. You can only add one workout per day for some reason. So, by the way, there are still some things needs to be fixed in this app. But here you can just add, for example, reps and weight for your workout. There is a huge exercise bank here, which is quite nice. There is some classification for all of that, so you can just find it out here. Then you can check out your workouts, history of your workouts, and then you can see that you did like your workout two times, two workouts, and then that you lifted like 470 kilograms. Then you can see and add some feedback because this app is in active development, and then you can just refer friends and receive credits. So feel free to use my code. You can just redeem this code in this page. So my code is here, 6FDMRLUMX1MJ. So just copy that code and redeem it. So that's where you can just use it out and refer friends. So pretty cool app, getting a lot of traction during this holiday season. Get it, try it out. As you can see, a lot of features are for free here. Compared to other fitness apps, it's a really great bargain because in majority of fitness apps, you need to pay a lot to even get to some exercise planning. And so give it a try. It's not yet on Android. Hope it will be on Android soon.